Hey guys, it's host Ashish Arora from Intellect Digest, and in this video we'll be unboxing and having a quick hands-on overview of Huawei's sub-brand Honor's new budget offering called Honor 7s. So without further ado, let's begin. Opening the box, first thing we get is the phone itself. Then we have a SIM ejector pin, a screen protector, some literature, and a wall brick with an ampere rating of 5 volts or 2 ampere and a micro USB cable. Under the hood, it is powered by a MediaTek MT6739 processor clocked at 1.5 GHz. It comes with 2 GB RAM and 16 GB of internal storage. It runs on Honor's custom skin called EMUI based on Android Oreo, just like its predecessors. It has a triple SIM card slot, which means that it has a dedicated SD card slot along with 2 discrete SIM card slots. It also has 3020 mAh battery and has 4G support. Comes with 13 megapixel rear camera and a 5 megapixel front camera, which is also capable of face unlock. We tested these cameras and the results are on your screen. After using this phone for some time, it is safe for me to say that at the price that you're paying, it is a good option to consider when you're on a tight budget. It's also good for the elderly like your parents or grandparents who use their phones for basic tasks like calling, messaging or WhatsApp. This is all that we have for this video. Leave us a like, do tell us your thoughts about this device in the comments down below. Don't forget to subscribe and press that bell notifications to get notified whenever we post a new video. This is your host signing off. Thank you.